Hello friends, welcome to Magnotech YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to see how to take measurement in a micrometer, right? So here you can see this is a figure and this is original micrometer, right? So first of all, let us understand the different parts of micrometer. So start from here. This is a ratchet. This is a main scale. Okay, so let me show here. If you can see, okay, this is a main scale, right? And this is a scale on gimbal, okay, sorry, thimble, and this is a thimble and scale is given to here, given here. This is called the thimble scale, or we can say auxiliary scale, right? This is a lock nut. Here lock nut is providing, you can see here, this is a lock nut, and this is called the barrel. This part is called the barrel, okay, and this is anvil. Here anvil is providing over here, anvil, and whatever the measurement we are going to take, it is in between this, okay, and this is a spindle. This is a spindle and this is U-shaped frame. And friends, यहाँ पे friends, you can see this is a 0 to 25 mm capacity of this micrometer, and list count is 0.01 mm. So list count, I already told you in vernier caliper what is list count. So list count is equal to, it is the smallest division on the main scale. So here in the main scale, okay, so this is 5 mm, right? You can see here this is a 5 mm, and after 5 mm there is one more scale given here, that is 5.05 mm. This scale, this is the 5.05, and again this is 5.1. You can see here the scale. So this is 5 and 1. In between there is a line providing here which is divided this 1 mm into half part, right? So it is 0.5 mm. Okay, so the smallest division on the main scale, that is 0.5 mm. So the smallest division on the main scale, that is 0.5 mm, and total number of division on the circular scale. So here this is a circular scale, okay, so after 45 again it is 0, so we have to count 5 more. So total 50, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So here 50 mm on the we can say circular scale, or we can say on the thimble. So it is equal to 0.01. So the list count of this micrometer is 0.01. And what is the list count of vernier? It is 0.02 for vernier, right? Now, how to measure? How to measure the dimension? Okay, now let us see how to check from the micrometer, okay, how to take the measurement from the micrometer. So suppose I want to check the diameter of this pen in the micrometer. So I have to put this pen in between the anvil and spindle, right? So once I remove the pen, then I would like to here lock these things, and then here you can see it, now it will not move, right? Now how to check? Suppose you can see here, so here you can see after 5 mm 3 more lines here. So this is 6 mm, this is 7, this is 8 mm, okay, and if you see the thimble also crossed this line. So this is 0.5, means 8 plus 0.5. So here this is 8 mm plus 0.5 mm, right? So this is 8.5 mm, right? Now after this, if you see more, then the thimble line is 5, right, which is matched with this line. So we have to add this line also. So for this, okay, this is 8.5 dimension from the main scale. Then list count into reading on the thimble. Okay, so here 5 is the thimble reading into list count, that is 0.01. So it is 0.05 mm, right? So we have to add over here 8.5 plus 0.05 mm. So finally we got the answer, that is 8 point, I hope you can see here, 8.55 mm. So by this way we can measure the dimension, we can measure, this is a procedure for linear measurement in micrometer. So if you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.